Hey guys, good morning. I've been dealing with some esophageal issues after a prolonged spell of Gerd. It's been going on for years since I've had my hiatal hernia. I'm going to make this tonic for you that has apple cider vinegar and some other things. So I'm using some apple cider vinegar, about 2/3 of a cup, and 1/3 of a cup of lemon. So it's 2/3 to 1/3 of lemon. It's about, about a cup. Okay, and I'm using some cinnamon, just a little pinch, and some cinnamon. I'm just using a little bit, and some ginger. Same thing, powdered ginger, like ground ginger. Okay, put some of that in there. And then you're just gonna fill it up. You're just filling it up with water. Give it a whirl. And this is, smells nice and lemony, but it's here. This is apple cider vinegar with the mother. It has to be raw, unfiltered. That's where the medicine is, not what they take out. Okay, usually they filter it and take all the good stuff out. So this is gonna be my tonic, and hopefully this will help, because I don't trust doctors. I hope this helps with your GERD. Follow my journey for more.